Okay, let's look at part 2. So the complement is the undesirable outcome. Okay, its notation is E prime or E bar. Okay, it's the probability of an event and its complement add to 1. So the probability of the event plus its complement equal 1. So let's look at rolling a die. The probability of rolling a 3 and probability of not 3 are complements. So the probability of 3 is 1 out of 6. Not 3 is everything else, 5 out of 6. So if we add that together, 6 out of 6 or 1. So let's say the probability that team wins equals 0.84. Find the probability that team does not win. So the team wins 0.84, so the not wins would be 1 minus 0.84 or 0.16. So let's look at this. Probability of each event. We have 5 marbles, 5 red, 7 blue, 6 yellow, 10 green, and we just pull 1. Okay? So the first off, we want to add them all together. So we know how many possibilities there are. So how many, so the probability of blue, so how many blue are there? 7. Out of how many total? 28 reduces to 1/4 or 0.25 or 25%. Okay? Probability of red or yellow. Red, there's 5. Yellow, there's 6. I'm going to add those together, so that would be 11 out of 28, or as a decimal, 0.93, or as a percent, 39.3%. Not green. So there's 28 total. 10 of them are green, so that means there's 18 not green. 18 out of 28, which reduces to 9/14 or 0.643, 64.3%. Okay, let's look at if we recall the tree diagram and the possibilities. There were 8. So exactly 2 of the 3 are girls. So that would be, this one's 2, this one has 2, this one has 2. So that would be 3 out of 8. At least 2 are girls. We could have all 3 girls, so we just add that one in. And none of them are girls. None of them are girls. There's only 1 out of 8. Okay, looking at a deck of playing cards. There's 52 cards, but we don't include the jokers. There's only 2 colors. There's 4 different suits, and each suit has 53 cards. So there are 13 cards in each suit, and there's 52 altogether. So this is the sample space spread out for you. And let's look at finding probabilities here. A queen and a spade. There's only one queen that is a spade out of 52 total. Drawing a spade. Well, there's 13 spades because there's 13 in each suit out of 52, which is 1/4 of the deck. A spade or a heart. Well, there's 13 spades, 13 hearts, so that's 26 out of the 52 total, which is 1/2. Empirical probability is probability based on observation. So here's some data that we have on blood types in a population. So if I want to know the probability someone has A blood, it would be 0.3434%, because that's what it says. O blood or AB blood, I'm going to add them together, 37%. Does not have B blood. Well, we take 100 minus how many do have B blood, 85%. Okay, looking at hospital stays. First thing we need to do is add these all together so we know how many total we have possibility. When you add them, you get 127. So find the probabilities that there was exactly 5 days. So look at exactly 5. There's 56 out of 127. Fewer than 6. Fewer than 6 would be 3 days, 4 days, 5 days. Add those together. So we have 15 plus 32 plus 56, which is 103 out of 127. At most 4 is 4 or less, so it would be 32 plus 15. And at least 5 is staying 5, 6, or 7, which is 80. And this ends